Alright, it's the next day here now. So this is just angle iron. I'm going to weld it on here and here. And I'm going to use a different size here. I'm going to use heavier angle I think here because I want it to hold the cones and everything. So the brackets will be a small bit bigger here and the other side of the toolbox. Let's see how it is when I'm done now. The bracket there for the other side went up. It's 40mm angle iron. I was making it a bit heavier. I'm glad I didn't know because that's heavy enough. It's 3mm. Fits in there then. I'll weld up all that. Make another one. Them two there, they're just sitting there. I need to tack them in yet. Camera's bad. I'm just going to stitch it. They're really lightly tacked, everything's lightly tacked in. I would say they'll have to come out somehow, for some reason. Change these a bit. I've left too much here. It needs to be flush because that's sitting there right. I should take that edge off, put that angle a bit more. What I've done there is I've cut that off straight up there because it was hitting that and that wasn't touching the steel at all. So now I can get a weld right across the top. It's all solid up there. Stupid mistake I should have done at the beginning. It's fitting up there way better now. Let's give all that quick stitching. Got the toolbox hanging there, see what it looks like. Then mounted there. I start filling up the space. Now I need to start marking out where the cones are going to go. Oh, it's somewhere sitting like that and up. Don't know how I'm going to work it out yet. That's that side done. I will be putting side skirts, I think, up alongside it. Fill in the little gaps. I want to add lights to it. So I'd like this to run flush all the way up to there though. This is the extra large one. First one I ordered, the way they were all supposed to be. So if I do get a compressor for the back, I might try and mount it in here, or else I'll mount it in there. It's all just stitched in, as you can see. But to weld all that, it's going to take me like a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Once I get the boxes out. So what I want to do is get the cones in, just in case I have to cut some of that out again. Three cones take up a lot of fucking room. just below the exhaust and the center bearing prop shaft. I wouldn't want to go any lower with that. It's just sticking out, I can't have it sticking out past it. There's 3 combs in there, and you want to have the 3, I can't have 2. I have to go to. I'll try and work it out with 3 first. It's going to take me an hour, so turn this off. You had a big fucking problem now. 3 cones are too big to fit in here. If I tilt them over, whatever way I put them, slant them in, they are hitting the chassis. I don't want them flat like that going in, because there'll be stuff having to touch the outside. I don't want the outside worn away. I want something to come through the middle to hold them, something that holds them on the outside. The vibration will wear it away, and I want to be able to wash them. They'll go bad quick, so I'm better off spending a bit of time and figuring out how to fit it with them being held on the inside. So I can fit 2 and tilt them in. The third one is coming out past here. It has to be in a good bit past it, because this is already wider than the fucking truck. So I think I'm an hour at it already, so I spent time and I took the inside of that cone out. They still don't sit the same. They still sit the same. I'll probably get different cones, but they're really good, they're solid. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is actually I'm going to make the base a square. Something that can go around it like that, and I sit in step. I'm going to make that up and make something to hold it on the inside all the way up. And I'm just going to see can I mount it anywhere. I'm just going to spend the time making that, because I can't come up with any idea. So I need to come up with at the moment. This is the same disc. When I bought the grinder 2 or 3 days ago, I done the ramps. I've cut out all these, like all the angles, and the same on the other side. And these were cut like 3 or 4 times, like that. They were cut a few times, each cut to make it fit. There's still that much left. So I don't know if these discs are absolutely unreal, which I bought 2 of them. It's Bosch. That's what I normally use. They're a bit thinner. They'll probably wear a bit quicker. Oh, they're stainless steel ones. That's probably why. No, that's steel. But I reckon it could have something to do with that rubber, that washer, which I've never had on before. So I'm going to try one of my old ones and see does the disc last any longer in that grinder. Alright, kind of fell together this way, so I'm going with it. I've got 3 of them in there. So what I'm going to do separate is I'm going to make a small little bracket that bolts to the chassis here. So I'm going to bolt the chassis there. It's going to have a little, just a flat bit of steel down with a pipe that goes up in there, or a bar that goes up in there. Just stop that wobbling. I have a bit to come up here, and it goes up there to there. I'm going to bring it in so it touches that. The same that side. So I'll stop them moving back and over. And here, I was going to bring a piece up and kind of overlaps it like that. Then I just lift them up and out. It's really only tacked in there now. That's only that square piece. I'm going to have a bit coming from here up to that. It'll be set in to sandwich in the cones.